The famous Seiko SARB033 is bonkers. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, I hope you're all staying safe. I'm currently working from home and I'm getting sick of my living room. Let's hope and pray that this crisis will soon be over so we can get back to normal. It needs no introduction, but for those of you who aren't familiar with this very popular Seiko release, what I can say is that the SARB033 is one of Seiko's best. They've stopped making them and I can say that I was lucky to have acquired one because there are still tons in the market and I think the prices are starting to go up. I got this from a local private seller and it came with an oyster style bracelet, but I opted to get the collar rib strap. Well, I regretted it 2 days later. It will cost me about $100 to buy a new bracelet, the original one. The strap I'm using here is from Cheapest NATO strap, which is one of my favorites because of the collar. One of the best features of this watch is the applied markers and logo. It reminds me of the grammar of design which was introduced decades ago with the early GS release. The finishing is impeccable, especially for its price. There are parts that are brushed and parts that are highly polished. The lug width is just right at 20mm. The first time I tried this watch, I thought it was too small and I was not used to wearing anything below 40, but now I think 38 is my sweet spot. What more can you ask for? It has a sapphire crystal instead of hard legs. It sports a 6R15 movement with a date complication, which is a step above 4R, which is only fitting in this kind of watch. Now, why do I say it's bonkers? I think it's suffering from identity crisis. It's neither a sports nor a dress watch, but it looks like a dress watch. See here. It has loomed hands and markers and a 100-meter water resistance. It's bonkers, but it's awesome. I can wear it with my jeans, my shirt, my t-shirt, my sneakers. Hell, I can even wear it with a long sleeves polo shirt and slacks and a pair of leather shoes. That's how bonkers this watch is. You see, if you don't have a lot of money to buy a Rolex or an Omega and you just want to have just one watch collection, I think the SARB033 is good enough for you. And if black dials is not your cup of tea, there's SARB035, which has a cream dial. Not really a cream dial, but sort of an off-white dial. By the way, it's bonkers because it's a strap monster. I can put anything on it and it still looks good. There's only one thing that I really don't like that much. It's the exhibition screw-in case back. It looks plain, nothing, to write home about, but it's there. And another extra is a signed crown, which looks nice, but it kind of looks like a snake. Don't you think? The funny thing is, I want to buy another one of these and just put it in the box because this one that you're seeing right now has some hairline scratches around the case and I don't like that. So maybe I'll buy another one and just put it in the box, and who knows, if the value goes up maybe twice as much in the future, I'll just sell it. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button if you enjoyed this video. In the meantime, here are some photos from my Instagram account. And that's it. I'll see you maybe next week. Bye for now.